Shival sir speaking. Children, as of now, we have been dealing with the chapter Exponents and Power. We have completed the exercise 13.2, and now we have we'll be starting the new exercise of Exponents and Power, that is exercise 13.3. Children, the first question of this exercise is about write the following numbers in the expanded form. Children, we have been in the first question number 1, write the following numbers in the expanded form. Children, we have been dealing with this expanded form right from very beginning. We have dealt with many questions of number, how to expand. So in there, we used to write their place values by adding the numbers. So here in the first question, 279404. The first question is 279404. So in this particular number, let us count the place values first. So what is the place value? Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh. So what is the first number? The first number is ones. So I'll write 4 into 10 to the power 0. Why 10 to the power 0? Because 10 to the power 0 means 1. So 4 into 1 means 4. Plus, next number is 0. The next number's place value, 0's place value is tens. So 0 into 10 to the power 1. Okay, because 10 to the power 1 means 10 into 0 resulting 0 only. As the number is 0 itself 0, that's why it will become 0 only. Plus, the next one is 4. The place value of 4 is hundreds. So in the place of hundreds, we can simply write 4 into 10 to the power 2. 4 into 10 to the power 2 is tens. Tens means 100, 10 square means 100. 100 into 4 results 400 plus. Next number is 9. 1 tens, 100,000. 9 means 1000. So I'll write 9 into 10 to the power 3. 9 into 10 to the power 3 means thousands. 1000 into 9 is 9,000. Next number is 10,000. 7 is the place value of 7 is 10,000. So I'll write 7 into 10 to the power 4 plus 2. 2 is lakh. So 2 into 10 to the power 5. 2 into 10 to the power 5 means 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 2 results 2 lakh. So children, we got the values in this way. In expanded form of 2,79,404 will be written in this form. 2 into 10 to the power 5 into plus 7 10 to the power 4 plus 9 into 10 to the power 3 plus 4 into 10 to the power 2 plus 4 into 10 to the power 0. This way we will be writing our answer. Let us try the next one, number 2. 3006194. So the expanded form of this number is, so here the number is 3006194. So the place value of the first number is ones. So ones means 4 into 10 to the power 0 plus 9 into 10 to the power 2, because the place value of 9 is tens. And ones. Place value of 9 is tens. So 10 to the power 1 means 10. 10 into 9 is 90. Place value of 1 is 100. So 1 into 10 to the power 2 plus place value of 6 is thousands. So 1000 means 6 into 10 to the power 3 plus 0 is 10,000. So 0 into 10 to the power 4 plus next 0 is lakh. So 0 into 10 to the power 0 10 to the power 5 plus next one is 3. 3 is 1s, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. The place value of 3 is 10 lakh. So 3 into 10 to the power 6. So this way we have to deal with this question, children. This is how we have to deal with this. So I believe it's clear to everyone. So children, this is how we have to deal with such questions. So the next number 2806196. Then the next number is 1,20,719. Next number is 20,068. All these numbers will have to do in the same process, similar way. Now let us talk about next question, question number 2. Children, in the question number 2, it's already given in expanded form. It's already given in expanded form. So what we need to do, we have to just find the number. We have to find the actual number. So 8 into 10 to the power 4 plus 6 into 10 to the power 3 plus 0 into 10 to the power 2 plus 4 into 10 to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0. So how to do this? So 5 into 10 to the power 0 means 0 into 1 into 5, matlab 5. 4 into 10 to the power 1 means 40. So place value of 4 is tens. 0 is hundreds. 6 is thousands. 8 is in 10,000. So it's 86,045. I believe it's clear to everyone, children. Yes or no? Let's try number B. Number B is about 4 into 10 to the power 5 plus 5 into 10 to the power 3 plus 3 into 10 to the power 2 plus 2 into 10 to the power 0. 2 into 10 to the power 0 means 1. 2 ones are 2. 3 10 square means 100. So here, children, one thing I must tell you. Here is the power is 0 and here is 2. So 10 to the power 1 is missing. So I'll rewrite this in this way. 4 into 10 to the power 5 plus 5 into 10 to the power 3 plus 3 into 10 to the power 2 plus there is no number means 0 into 10 to the power 1 and 2 into 10 to the power 0. So as there is no 10 to the power 1, that's why I have multiplied 10 to the power 1 with 0. Now, so I'll simply write 4, 5, 3, 0, 2. This is only our answer. This is only our answer. So I believe, children, these are very clear. In the next video, I'll discuss about standard form. And once we complete this chapter, we will be giving start for a new chapter, that is practical geometry. So please, children, if you have got any confusions or doubts throughout my explanation, please feel free to speak to me. Drop your queries in comment sections of Google Classroom as well as in WhatsApp group. Your doubts will be cleared for sure. Till then, thank you so much, children. Thanks a lot.